It's Trevina with TMB Designs, and today we are going to create a beautiful, lush peaches and cream theme centerpiece for my home. I'm going to take you guys along as we style with these beautiful peach color roses. I have a collection of peonies here in this beautiful peachy blush tone. I have these blush color roses, and then I have these whimsical aqua color stems. And lastly, I have this beautiful stem of cream color roses. All of the florals, you guys, were picked up from Hobby Lobby at 50% off. They are all actually repurposed from another event, and I am just showing you here how easy it is to remove them from this stem. I actually created a centerpiece using that one on the stem, but I wanted to show you just the versatility of the actual stems and how easy it is to remove them with using floral wire cutters. The mercury glass vase that I'm going to be styling it in was purchased from Home Goods, and I have an identical one that I purchased from Burlington. They are both the exact same vase, exact same price, but purchased at two different stores. So you see, you guys, how easy that was to remove that from the stem. And now look at the beautiful combination of colors here, how everything is just going to complement each other and fit perfectly in my peaches and cream theme. I'm showing you here where I used a repurposed, again, floral base from another event. I just wanted to give the centerpiece some security or an anchor. So I'm starting in the top. I always like to establish my height in my centerpieces, and then I begin to use a 4-point technique or north, south, east, west type of technique with the florals, and then I will go in between each one. Once that has been established, north, south, east, and west, I begin to go in with my other floral stems and create a staggered effect using the same north, south, east, west technique. So let's begin. And I like to rotate the base or the container that the florals are going to be in, just to help me keep everything symmetric or placed properly, because I want to create a very organic looking centerpiece here. Not too perfect, not too matchy-matchy, but I do want it to have some level of symmetry, which is why I do the north, south, east, west technique. But as you can see, it is taking shape and coming along beautifully. Now I want to create the shape of my centerpiece. I want, in this particular centerpiece, to have almost a pyramid effect, but you can use a variety of styles. You can do a long rectangular shape. You can do an asymmetrical shape, which is like a cascading, which is also gorgeous. Of course, a traditional round. And then here I'm just going with just an organic pyramid or diamond shape for this particular centerpiece. And you guys, this would be beautiful style for an event, for a wedding, for your centerpiece in your dining room, on your breakfast bar, just wherever you want to create a beautiful focal point in a space. This floral piece would be exceptional for that. And I am opting, you guys, not to use any glue or adhesive for this particular centerpiece because it is temporary, and I want to be able to dismantle it and repurpose the flowers if I need them for another event. And here she is, you guys, front and center in my former living room. It adds the perfect touch of peaches and cream for my spring theme.